Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today we want to show you guys a brand new boat that just showed up for us, a 2020 320 Vantage from Boston Whaler. You can see that we got this one in the all white, beautiful hull color with the silver graphics package. The blue canvas enclosure is an option on this particular one. We've got the rub rail stainless steel insert. So it all complements very nicely with the big bow rail in the front, stainless steel bow rail, as well as our upgraded stainless steel windlass option. On the back, we got a pair of Mercury 300s with a Verado joystick control. We'll take a moment, we'll step inside and show you guys all those fun features. Alrighty guys, now we're in the cockpit. Like I had mentioned, we got the twin 300 Mercury Verados with the joystick steering. These are the new Mercury V8s, extremely powerful engines. Walk through transom, and you'll see on the floor we've got the synthetic teak throughout. So walk through door, little shower head off to the port there, or starboard there. It's lit as you walk in. We got our standard dive door, and their dive ladder that deploys off the side. Convenient grab handle there as well for entry. We've got our fish box, starboard, and a slightly shorter version on the port. We've got our JL audio sound system that's come standard. Huge oversized aft bench seat. So a great convenient area to gather, entertain. There is a optional table that drops in here. You see our connection there. Storage underneath for our aft table and as well as our dive ladder. The patented lounge system from Boston Whaler. Multiple different positions depending on how you want to use it. Nice aft lounge, nice forward lounge, and conveniently back to a back-to-back lounge. We'll show you guys our huge systems access here in the floor. Whaler does a great job of making it easy access to your fuel pumps, your macerator pumps, all of your systems to get to it easily and conveniently for us on the service side. We also have the table there as either the bow or the aft. So we have two tables on board. Moving forward, we've got the summer kitchen. So this one's got the refrigerator option. Valve for our live well. Little glove box up top as well. Sink. We got our battery switches conveniently placed right here on the back side with 110 outlet. Moving forward to our helm, oversized 16-inch display Raymarine. So you get all that system data and be able to split those screens up. Our Mercury vessel view display. Our Fusion controlled head unit, Bluetooth stereo. Our VHF control as well. There's that joystick we had talked about for Mercury, as well as a spotlight control in the bow. This boat is also equipped with a power seat, trim tabs, and active trim from Mercury. So that's the auto trim system. As you hit the throttle and go, it automatically is downloaded to the profile of this boat. Alrighty guys, now we want to show you the port lounge configuration. So we've got the helm seat, conveniently placed on both sides with the flip bolsters. There's a drop-in table mount, again for here, underneath the hard tops. If you want to have lunch underneath the shade, you can. USB and 12-volt charging system over here in the glove box with your cup holders. This lounge flips conveniently right around. This is a power up and down seat, just like you saw over here on the captain's chair. This accesses our day cabin. It's a nice, convenient little area to go down there and lay down, get out of the weather. Or if the ladies in life want to take a quick trip to a restaurant, not mess up their hair. We had mentioned this one's got the sunshade and again the blue canvas, and as well as the full enclosure across the hardtop. Moving forward, we'll show you our head. So a nice size head with sink, breaker panel, and small storage accesses for your maintenance systems. See the convenient little teak step there that you can use for now storage and place your bags on there for the day. Moving forward, we have the walk-through door and this robust, oversized, over-engineered windshield frame with tempered glass. So that big square tubing, again, makes it so robust for that oversized hardtop. Moving forward, on the port side here, we have a double wide lounger. Grab rails conveniently placed, flip down armrest. Same thing over here on the starboard side. Storage under both sides with gas assist shocks. There's our table stanchions for those tables we saw in the back, conveniently placed. You can see another table block there. In the floor here we have battery access and as well as a small storage. Both port and starboard by the loungers we have our USB controls, our USB charging port, excuse me, and our 12-volt charging ports, along with cup holders. On the port side here, you'll see we also have the stereo remote to control that system from the bow. We do have the bow rod holders on this one, again with that walk-through bow rail. This boat is also equipped with a bow boarding ladder with that windlass system that we saw from the exterior. We have a conveniently placed shower head, again on the bow entry, and there's also one on the stern entry. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2020 320 Vantage from Boston Whaler. This boat, again, does come with a full enclosure package and full cockpit and bow covers in the navy blue. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach us at 843-747-1889. And again, my name is Dotson Geis from MarineMax Charleston and Carl Anderson from behind the screen. Thank you.